Yeah, today I went to one of our cornfields, maize fields, and I want to show you something. So it's not an indigenous agriculture, it's a normal daily life agriculture, but I want to show you what was used by Native Americans and what is still used by Native Americans in their daily life from the corn plant. So on one hand you have these pollen parts here on the top. The pollen was used for ceremonial stuff, for example by the Hopis and in the southwest for their ceremonies. And then you have also the maize here, the corn cob, and the corn itself was used for popcorn, but also for roasting and for simply making flour from it. And then you see on top here these where the pollen got fertilizing the corns, making the corns. This was used too for medicine. These were collected and dried and used for medicine. And then you have here these green leaves on these corn cobs, and these were used, for example, for making bags in the plateau region, or for baskets and for mattresses to put on the floor, for example, from the Iroquois people. But normally we have a yellowish corn here, was planted here, and this is what you see in the field here. You can also have a look for a little video I made about the three sisters, because normally in Native American agriculture the corn, the maize, the bean and the squash was planted together as the three sisters, and I made a video about this. But normally the Native American people used other varieties of corn, and these traditional varieties, I have one here. This is a blue corn from the Hopi people. This gives also a blue flour for really using, it's very sacred to them, this blue flour and blue meals for special occasions, for example. Yeah, this is one thing here. Also you see the corn husks when they are dried, and that's how they are used later on. Then I have another corn cob here. It's a glassgam corn, and this comes in a whole variety of colors. These colors are like a rainbow, you know, and there's just two varieties of many more. It's very interesting. And this is roasted. This corn here is not really dry yet. It's not really finished, but it's used roasted later on when the corn cobs are finished, for example. And this is a very colorful one. They are also red corns and with some dots on it, and it's very crazy what variations are available among Native people.